Easy come, easy go, that's just how you live. Oh, take it all, but you never give. Should've known you were trouble from the first kiss. Had your eyes wide open, why were they open?
Hey guys, Dude here. Today I'm gonna show you how to build cobblestone generator. That is advanced. You need piston, redstone torch, lever, redstone repeater, water, and lava. You also need dirt. First, we're gonna dig 5 by 5. Sorry for the background noise. Wait guys. You need to dig twice here. Okay.
Baba daw ang manok.
Pati sa locker maingay kasi nagwasi ko yung camera.
Sorry for the background again. You need to clear this one. Then you needed to keep this one, the outline. Then you're gonna start for 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Okay then. You get 3 here. 4 squared here. Then the outer line is 5. Okay. You need 4 pistons if you're in survival. You should put the piston here, not in the corners, okay? That's done. Put whatever block you need here, then, and put redstone all over this except in these holes. That's done. Okay. Choose whatever side of piston you would. Then that's redstone. Then clear these trees. You need 3 spaces for this one. Okay. Then put dirt or whatever you need in the center. And put the redstone torch here. See, if you're a noob, redstone sometimes I don't know what to say, sorry guys. Then put the redstone here, then cover this one except that one. Okay, that's done. And then you need this redstone repeater here, not here, or else this won't work. It should be at the last. See? And put the lever here, then stop that. Then do like what I did. Put whatever blocks you want.
Kuya, ano nagawa mo?
Sorry for that one. Okay. You just cover the pistons, not these holes. Then you're gonna grab your water, then put it in this one, this, and this, and that one. Then your lava your lava will be here at the center. Then just cover this up. That wait. I'll show you here. Later, the cobblestone will go out. Okay? Thanks for watching. This is how to make a cobblestone advanced generator without needing to put water and lava in manual. Bye guys.